Hello everybody, how are you? I'm fine. Everybody is fine. I'm the information on my YouTube channel, how to make money, the total sum guidelines. You can earn money easily. You're at home. The every people, the like there's the internet world, the every people, every man, your smartphone or your internet line uses, and your computer, laptop, desktop, etc. use the internet. You can easy to start the how to make money the at home. I can some details the 7 point the how to make money of online. You're easy, you're free. I can request them. You start the any skill, develop any skill, gather the how to make money of online platform. I can start now the information. My love that sharing my knowledge, my YouTube channel. The request them all audience, all viewers, subscribe and views and comment, sharing my videos. I hopefully the satisfy and the next video making the interest feel. Okay. So friends, let's go on the details and how to make money online. The make money online is popular way for people to earn an income for the comfortable of their own homes. There are numbers way to make money online, and some of the most popular method including, okay, number one, the freelancing. The offering your service as a freelancer on platforms as such the internet. You can freelancing site how to search on Google. They Google lot of site provide, but you can judgment the final judge. You can work and success this marketplace. The present time the whole world people uses the important marketplace. I can just example one or two or three as like the best marketplace, best platform, Upwork. Upwork, the work system is hourly work system. You can offer your application, the submitting the client of Upwork. The number two, Fiverr. Your newly skilled hand uses the Fiverr marketplace. I can suggest the every newly skill hand, the small work start now on Fiverr. $5, $10, $20, $30. You can your skill development and how to small some money on the Fiverr. You are the Fiverr new seller, top first level 1 seller, level 2 seller, the top rated seller. The level 1 seller, the requirement of Fiverr, $400 earn. Level $400 earn, minimum 10 5-star reviews. Okay. The second level 2 on the Fiverr marketplace, minimum 50 reviews and $2,000 earn. Our top rated seller, the Fiverr requirement, the 100 plus reviews and $10,000 income. Present time, the top rated seller, the big money income of Fiverr marketplace. Fiverr is very important. The blogging, etc. Lot of income, lot of social media marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. The number two, freelancer.com. You can your graphic design, the contest in win Freelancer, a lot of work, the freelancer.com. The second way, the online make money, the online survey. You practical the online surveys for market research, companies, search and surveys, Junkie, Survey or Vindale Research. You can search on Google the online survey company, the online survey site, lot of site provide your Google. You can select any survey site, sign up, apply, the work state, start work, the how to make money online. Okay. The number third, very important and vital rule, the how to make money, the online, the market platform. Very, very important, the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing system, main system, the commission system. 1%, 0.5%, 0.0%, 0.00%, and the affiliate system. The number 3 is very important, the how to nice and interesting and effective earn passive income, the Amazon affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, the program others people the products or service thought and the affiliate link earn a commission for each sales. As like affiliates marketing, website, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, etc. etc. Number 4, online tutorial. You are the knowledgeable, you are the brilliant, you are the talent, you any subject you provide the online market, how to make money, then your tutorial, teaching, student, online thought platform charge, VIPKids, Chegg or TutorMe. That's example website. A lot of website. You can study your country, any country, your tutorial by your knowledge provide the sharing, Zoom software, Google Meet software uses lot of student, you teaching the how to make money of online. You can home the one laptop, one mobile, one computer, easy to say you start the how to make money of online. You are knowledgeable, you are skill hand, you can sharing your knowledge, the online tutorial platform, teaching student, the online thought platform, sources, the tutorial, VIPKids, Chegg or TutorMe. Number 5, the how to make money, the system of number 5. Online store. Set up our online store and selling product on platform such as easy, Amazon and Shopify. The whole world, the America, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, UK, all Europe, the very the online product buying and selling platform Amazon or Shopify. Your online storage, the selling your product and platform, Amazon platform, Shopify platform, then lot of your needed, your country base, the online marketplace, you search on Google, own marketplace, own country, own people, own country business start, your products, digital products, online products, etc. etc. The present time, very easy easily start the blog. Creating a blog and monetize is through advertising, sponsor, content creator, video editing, and affiliate marketing. Just example, the YouTube. You can YouTube content creator, then just like I my channel that teach make money. I'm the content creator. Everybody, your knowledge sharing, your creative content, the uploading video YouTube, the approval monetization requirement fulfill of YouTube, same YouTube the advertising, some money income of your YouTube channel. The second is sponsor, the third content creator, video editing, then a follower. You are blogging, you're very skill hand and YouTube. You the make money, the lot of way of online. Very easy and simple, easily income of make money, the online platform, the YouTube. Number 7, Facebook. They recently published the Facebook company 2023 easily income, same things, Facebook video content creator and advertising, sponsor, content creator, monetization. The YouTube Reels, YouTube Starter, Instimate, the fulfill, very easily income your Facebook profile and Facebook page, etc. etc. Thank you. Number 8, the how to make money. The game, make money of online, your home. Start now the content creator. The creating and selling digital content such as the ebook, course or stock photo. The present time, very easily income. The content creator creating and selling digital content charges ebook, courses or stock photo. The lot of online marketplace the stock photo. You can search the online Google, the lot of website you can present your desktop monitor. Okay. The present time you are skill hand the lot of oil, the how to make money, the content creator, selling digital content, ebook, course and stock photo. You can have DHLR, you can have the iPhone, you can have a smartphone, you can state that the visit to now any place, anywhere, the nice scenery, capture and your computer, your mobiles, iPhones and your cameras. Send your photos the sellings market. Ebook, you are the knowledgeable, you are the any information, start now writing the online book, ebook. Ebook then of freelancing type, tour type, guideline, child, baby kids, etc. etc. You can start as a billion people. You can your course start them online and Facebook Live, YouTube Live and Zoom, Google Meet. Lot of student your course provide. There are just a few examples of many ways to make money online. It importance to research and choose method that suit your skill and interest and goal. And I can reply the how to make money income. Your just few information in my videos. There are just a few examples how to many why to make money online. It's important to research and choose a method that suits your skill, interest, the goal. Thank you very much. I am the goodbye my videos. The request them everybody's please subscribe my channel sharing and your comment these videos. Thank you.